Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to highlight text in CapCut. To highlight text in CapCut, use a yellow solid color overlay. So let's say this is an example text. Double click the text on your screen. Right? Head over to Styles. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch left, or swipe left, excuse me, and choose this background as the background color, or the overlay basically. And you can choose a different color for the text, right? And you can change the size, and once you're done, hit the check mark next to your text to apply the settings. Also, you can add keyframes to move the text. So click the yellow, the diamond shaped icon, or the diamond shaped button. Move a little bit, and now move the diamond, or move the text to apply the motion basically, right? So you can see I will add a diamond here one more time, and if you see a red, it means that you need to move past the diamond so you can automatically generate a movement or motion. So you can see here. So basically that's it, right? Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.